home page, enter your username and password, and then click Login. Click Policies. Select Applications. To demonstrate the configuration of agentless single sign-on, we have created a test application by the name Education App. This application is protected by CA's SiteMinder and an agent is associated with it. In the forward, incorporated scenario, this application is similar to their internet banking application. To configure agentless single sign-on, we will modify this application and create a response. Also, we will associate appropriate response attributes with it. To continue, click the Edit button. Click Responses. And then, click Create Response. In the Create Application Response pane, enter a response name. To associate appropriate response attributes with this response, click Create Response Attribute. From the Attribute drop-down list, select HTTP, Open Format Cookie. In the Attribute Fields section, enter a cookie name. And then enter the time to live for this cookie. We also need to select an encryption algorithm. The encryption algorithm is used for encrypting and decrypting the open format cookie content. From the drop-down list, select an encryption algorithm. Enter an encryption password. And click the Generate Encryption Key button. The encryption key is generated. We would need to use this key in the later steps of the configuration.